Hello and welcome to my unboxing video. So after a long time, long time, I got something. I wanted to do unboxing with you guys because it will be exciting. Because I was uploading way too many perfume videos and I got bored as well, like you. So today I have something from Canada. Yes. Suddenly I got my link back and I'm trying to get something from Canada and luckily got something a little bit different stuff. It's not cosmetic, it's not perfume, it's not shoes, but it's a bag from Aldo. And this one is from Canada. All of a sudden I have seen it and then I thought like, okay, let's go. This is a good one. I also needed a tote bag and something in what do you call it, a reasonable budget. So this is Perima, yeah, that is what it said. This is the Perima by Aldo and it cost without shipping $55. To my country, when it came, it became $73, including the custom shipment and blah blah blah. So let's open it. And they gave me the Aldo bag together. That's very nice of them. I mean, usually people doesn't do that. So this is the bag. I'm watching with you for the first time. I haven't opened it yet. So this is the bag. This is the Perima bag. So let me give you a little bit of details. So this bag is made of, this is a synthetic material. This is nothing original leather or anything else. It's a zipper closure and exterior front pocket bag. Okay, let's go and open it first, then I'll give you the size or the measurements together. So I can see it's nicely wrapped, not damaged, nothing done. Oh, it's a pretty bag. Honestly, it's a pretty bag. Let's go a bit closer. So this is a nice pretty bag. So it's the brown color in the front. The handle is brown and I think the main attraction is the front pocket. Let me open the front pocket. Oh, yes. This is what actually attracted me. This is a front pocket which you can actually take it off from the bag. I mean, it's with the chain, it's hooked, but sorry, there's a lot of stuff. So you can actually use this pocket. Like I use my outer pockets more than the inside pocket. That's my habit because I keep most of the time the changes in the outer pocket and my mobile phone. Yes, I do that a lot. So the bag should be looking like this. Isn't it pretty? I like the design. So let me tell you the size. So this bag, the Perima bag, the handle drop length is 4 inches. The strap drop length is 23 inch. So there will be a strap inside. The depth 4.5 inches. Sorry, height is 9.5 inches. The depth is 4.5 inside the depth, right? And the width is 13.5 inches. So that's how simple this bag is. Sorry if I am giving you a lot of weird information. So here is the strap. I like it how it came to me because it came in shape. That's so nice. It's a lot of, sorry. Oh, that's very nice. Actually, till date, whatever the bag I got, these belts, the shoulder belts, are never attached with the bag or anything. So it is very easy if somebody is shipping outside of the country and somebody is checking the bag, they can easily take it out. So here they actually attached it with the plastic strap. That's very nice. It's a blue belt. Let's see the inside. Very simple. And I like the size. Seriously, I like the size. Neither big nor small. So actually you can put your wallet, and if you have a bad habit of carrying a lot of stuff like me, I think this is the best thing. If you don't want to carry a huge tote, this is the best size, I would say. The 13 inches, that is what I was actually looking for. Something, tolerable, because I carry a computer bag with me when I go to work. So in the computer bag, there is computer, but computer, adapter, mouse, headphone, a lot of stuff. So sometimes I don't want to carry that inside my purse or my tote, because inside my tote there are a lot more stuff, like my makeup kits, my 2 phones, my charger, then my what else? Oh yes, of course, my humongous wallet. So I think this is the perfect thing. If somebody is using, let's say, my usual things are like the key rings, a sunglass, a wallet, 2 phones, then adapters or the chargers, this is a perfect size. If I don't want to take a huge size tote. So yeah, for $55. Let's see. What did it say? Perima bag. Yes. Here is the design number. And I can see in the website that they showed quite a different bit of color, but I saw it like the people were doing the live from the person I bought it from. I mean the what do you call it? It's not supplier. It's the page owner. Whoever bought it from me, it came just as it was in the store, and including the bag. I'm a bit surprised. Yeah, it's nice, beautiful, and the price is so reasonable. I'm quite surprised. It's very nice, very, very nice. You tell me if you like it or not. Oh, by the way, let me tell you one more thing about my bag. How do I purchase bag? I have a very bad habit of carrying so many things. So what happens to my bag, when I buy bags, I always look that, oh, how is this part of this bag? That means how is the holder is, what do you call it? They're setting up in the bag. Because if you're carrying so many things in the bag, obviously this handle has to be strong enough. So what I liked about this bag is this handle is quite strong. It's not thin and it's hard. It's not soft. And the second thing is they gave this steel or the metal material here. So this bag is going to last for quite a long time, which I'm quite happy about, because I have several totes and the totes are fine outside, but the handle is torn. That is what happens with me every time. You tell me, you give me your experiences, you tell me your experiences. How do you purchase bags? I used to buy many designer bags previously. Then I found buying tote bags, especially the branded bags, like spending, let's say, more than $200. I find it absolutely useless for me. I can buy small party clutches as the, what do you call it, the branded bags. Like I love Tory Burch bags. Clutch bag, spending, let's say, a Tory Burch party clutch is something around $400 to $500. So if you want to invest something on that amount of money, it has to last long time. So these kind of bags, which I'm like usually using daily, everyday life, like I'm using in my office especially, I do change a lot my bags, like quite frequently, but it depends. Like if I feel like the bag has become too dirty, or if it is becoming too overflowing bag, I mean overflowing with the stuff, then I quickly change the bag. Sometimes I do carry a diary as well, but not with this bag because this will be quite heavy for that. But when I see it, I say it's very smart. They didn't put up any kind of pocket on the back because it's not required, because I usually use a lot the front pocket. So it's a beautiful bag for me. It's just written Aldo, and also I like the color coordination. Very nice. If you like this bag, go ahead, give it a try. I don't know if it's available in USA or not. It's supposed to be. If it's not available, you can buy it from Canada, just like me. Or you can tell me your experiences when you're buying bags. Do you buy usually very expensive branded bags, or you go for a budget bag? Especially on the tote. For tote, I always go for a budget one. Not more than $100, of course. Or for the party purses, those are party clutch, party bags, those are absolutely different. I'll show you that some other day, but today is this bag. So please give a like, share, and comment whatever you want to know about this bag. I'll try to give you the information. And if you're new, please subscribe my channel. I will come back with you more, I promise, in this month. Thank you so much. Bye bye.